Hi, Bob. How you doing? Bob, I got something to show you. What? Anyways, Bob, check out my new cat. Hello. Dude, that is not a cat. That is clearly a person in a fur suit. Yeah, he's amazing. And he's really good at cooking. Can you please make a donut for this fine gentleman? I know you're very good at cooking. I mean, I don't really want to, though. It seems kind of like a bore. I'll make you some fish. You can say that again.